Hello YouTube. So today I have the SEIKO SNJ025, the Arnie reissue. And I have no idea even if they sent me the right one, but this is the box. So I'm about to open it and see what we have. So I'm really excited about this. I'm wearing my Save the Ocean turtle right now. So let's see what we have here. Once again, the SEIKO SNJ025, the Arnie reissue. Very exciting. So they sent it to me in this box, which hopefully has a lot of protection. And I'm going to open it with my trusty Spyderco. Got toward myself. I'm not supposed to do that, but that's okay. Here we go. Okay, box. Nice packing materials in there, so they took some great care to make sure it didn't get damaged. So, lots of this stuff. And more of this. And then what do we have? It's like the generic SEIKO box, but that's okay. Of course, an invoice too. Not as exciting because this means I have to pay for it. But here we go. So here's the SEIKO box. Hopefully that is in focus, I hope. Okay, so here's the big moment. I'm going to open it up, slide it like that. Oh geez, it's upside down. It's a good thing I did that slowly. So it's only my second SEIKO. Oh boy, here we go. Look at this, huh? You're going to see it before I do. Look at that, huh? It's pretty neat. Wow. You know, I always have this reaction when I buy SEIKOs, but it's a nice little pillow, but not as large as I was expecting. But it is definitely a larger watch. So there you go. You get a nice look at that. See that, huh? Pretty cool. So let's take the turtle off, shall we? And put this on. Baby in the background. So here's the turtle. Can I get that to focus? There we go. Sorry, I'm kind of new to video, so forgive me. But here we go. Oh, this is cool. The keeper's kind of has these cutouts, which is really neat. I don't know if you can see that, but and the strap actually feels different than the one that came on this one. This one feels softer and more rubbery, and this one feels a little more finished and shiny. It's definitely a little different. And by the way, don't expect me to use any of these functions or anything. This is like literally just taking it out and trying it on because I have to read the manual. But actually it looks like the time is right. But I wish I knew how to turn the lights on. I don't even know how to turn the lights on. But look at that. I'm not a big guy, but look at that, huh? That's pretty cool, isn't it? I really need to hit the gym now. If I'm going to wear Arnold's watch, I feel like I need to bulk up a little. But this is the Commando Predator watch. So very psyched. Hopefully the video is not totally terrible. But there you go. That's my unboxing. Maybe I'll do a review later, but I wanted to get this done for you. Thank you very much. Take care, and if you end up buying one, let me know in the comments what you think. So far, I'm really excited. It's very, very cool. Thank you. Bye.